Hey guys, so we're in Virginia's finest. This is Chesapeake. What we got here is a 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger, in which today I had the luxury of doing the exhaust on in the 94-degree scorching heat. So what we have here is a Jones turbine, 3.5 in, 3.5 out, 4.5 center, with some MBRP kickouts, turn downs, 304 stainless steel, 3.5 piping all the way out from the header, in which we have Pro Parts headers on there. A little bit of an exhaust hanger. See how it's done? Straight to the top, welded on. Can't see any seams that I welded because they're all welded on the back side. It's not going anywhere. So just give it a little listen and see what you think. Post something down in the comments about the eBay Jones turbine mufflers.